Welcome to Naka Market in Phuket, Thailand, and we're going to take a look at some of the different foods, trending foods that you should eat or shouldn't eat, and how you can get the best out of your holiday while in Phuket. In the Naka Market, you have two sections essentially. One is for food and one is for clothes. Mr. Coco, he's making his coconut treats. Very nice. I've tried these, they're quite good. They're sweet, they're nice. Oh. Oh, ขอบคุณครับ Ron, that... He's saying put it on the stick. He's going to put it on the stick. I get a freebie. That's so nice of him, isn't it? Wow, thank you. Look at that. A traditional Thai coconut dessert, Mr. Coco. Wow. And they are good, you know. And of course, me and my sweets. ขอบคุณครับ Thank you. That's very nice. It's a very nice stall, Mr. Coco. Let's try it. Oh. That one's very good. Why? Because it's hot, number one, but it has a lot of coconut in it. So it's different than the other ones. So it's really very good. Oh. He wants me to try another one with banana. That one is, that other one's so good. It have a lot of coconut. Khop kun krap. Thank you. So this is the banana one I'm going to give a try. How about that? From Mr. Coco at Naka Night Market on the weekend. Oh, let's see. Well, I love banana. I love coconut. Oh, it has banana and coconut, so that's nice. Nice flavor, nice mix. You know, with the rice in it, rice flour, chewy, sweet.
Gluten-free.
Huh?
Gluten-free.
Oh, gluten-free, he said. Oh, okay. So for you non-gluten people, you can come here and have that. Thailand Professional Qualification Institute, how about that? Very nice. 7 pieces are 40 Thai baht. 9 pieces. I say that's the best one I've had, honestly, because I've been in Thailand for quite some time. It has so much nice coconut. See how he does it? With the nice coconut in there. Lots of pieces in there. And that. So, thank you very much. Khop kun krap. That's great. Bye. Thank you. And off we go. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you back again soon.